Okay, galing lang kami sa anong church? Baclaran Church. Ito kasama is my birthday today. My sister, her boyfriend, 80. Nasaan ka na, Jaysa? Yun. Punta kami. Si yung driver. Ayan, dito na kami sa Okada, Manila. This is my third home. Ayun, tagal na. Last time, 2019.
Third home, Okada.
Ayan. Third home sa Manila. Ayan, Okada. Oh, ano yung bago yan ah? Ano yan?
Mga, staycation.
Oh, really? Condominium? Wow.
Kingsport.
Diyan yung ngayon.
Ayan guys, oh, grabe, ang ganda. I miss this place. So, dito, after sa church, dito kami stop muna to say hello to everybody. Hello everybody! Hello everybody! Yan. Thank you for watching. Later on.
Nagre-reels ka
Babu!
rin ba, Day?